Hi guys, today we will make some circuit on the Proteus and we will not get to know how the Proteus is used. So for new project, we are making the new project. Click here at new project. So here it will ask the path. You can give any path, okay, and you can give the project name you can give light motor, okay. Then next, here you have to keep default. Then next, we are not going to create the PCB layout, so we will focus on schematic only. So here you can select do not create a PCB layout. Next, here from no firmware also, and here schematic only you can click schematic and finish. So in front of you this is the schematic page come. So today we will focus on how to use the motor and light in the Proteus. So first we have to select the component, go to here, this is library pickup component. Okay, so here first we will select the DC battery you can write down here. So DC battery come, okay. Okay, so it is your schematic library, so it is saved here. Now again we have to select one switch for on off. So switch automatically come. Here is the selection, any switch, other switch also you can select like this, this, okay, like this, but I selected this is the active simple switch, so it also come here. Again now we have select lamp. So lamp come automatic, it is selected, it will suggest some component automatic, so you can select here lamp active. Now we will make the circuit with the help of this. So now we can put the component in the schematic page by selecting here battery. First we will put, okay, then we will put the lamp we put here, then we will put the switch like this, okay. Click here, left click here and click here, you can select component like this, left click here and then click on page, select component and like this I am telling you, okay. So now we will do the routing we will do routing this and this, we can go to here, okay. This is automatically ground, no need to put the ground symbol here, and it is your 12 volt. If you want to change the property of this, so you can double click on this and you can change the battery voltage here, and its name also you can change, okay. So I am not changing these all things, but you can change if you want to keep. Now click outside, left click, okay. So this component will deselect. Now here is the our circuit is complete, and you can put one resistance here if you want to put, otherwise we will run it without the resistance. So here is the simulation option, you click here, so simulation is start. So now you have to close switch, then the voltage will come here and it will glow like this, okay. So it is working. Now off switch, on switch, off switch, and here you can uh, stop the simulation at this switch, and this is for hold. These two buttons is not used too much, only this and this. This starts the simulation and this off the simulation. So if simulation is not click here, so if you on off the switch, then it will not work. You have to run the simulation here, it will get green, and then you can on off the switch. Okay, in another circuit, now you have to off here. In another circuit, we will make some motor, we will drive some motor, so DC motor. So you can put here DC motor, DC motor. You can select here this motor. Okay, sample DC motor. One motor, two motor, we can keep three motor or four motor. Number 4. Okay, if you want to shift it, so you can shift it also, selecting by selecting. Now you have to select battery, separate battery for each motor set. You can put here, you can put here. Now you can select the switch also for each motor group. Okay, now you can route it. Here you can add, here you can add in this. You like this, you can add. Okay, this also, and this. So this is the DC motor. Now it will rotate. So for this we have to, this is complete circuit, we will make only this much circuit. Now you simulate here and on the switch, so it is working. Okay, and you can do this also. Okay, you can run the both together. And another things, if you want to measure the current, okay, so this is the instrument hub. Here you can select the oscillator, logic analyzer, counter, virtual terminal, SPI debugger, these all things. So in this circuit we will learn ammeter and voltmeter how to use. Okay, so first we will think the ammeter, DC ammeter. This is DC voltage. So first you have to stop the simulation, otherwise error will come. So DC ammeter you keep here, DC ammeter. By selecting the tape switch, you can put switch here, drag option put here, and you can delete the track from here and put it here. Okay, same thing you can do, drag this here and delete wire, and another DC multimeter you can put here, DC ammeter, and third is coming also, connect the wire. So it will tell you how current is flowing in the motor. And another things, you can put the voltmeter, not DC AC voltmeter, DC voltmeter you can select here. Okay, so it will tell you how much voltage across the load. another. Okay, now we can run the simulation and it will tell the current and voltage. So switch is off, so there is a no circuit complete. So current is 0, voltage also 0. Same here. Okay, if I on the switch this, so current is flowing around 1.96 ampere. Okay, and voltage is across 11.8. This battery is 12 volt, but voltage, some voltage is dropping, so 11.8 volt coming. Same thing if I do here, so same thing is happening here also, because circuit is same. So like this you can use the ammeter and voltage multimeter. Okay, now we make another circuit. In that circuit we will learn how to use the oscilloscope. This is oscilloscope, how to use. We will use it on the DC. So we make the AC circuit, AC source, AC source. We can use this. Okay, alternator is AC source here. Put here, and another things we can use this switch. And for this AC we can use the AC motor. We can use AC motor, AC motor, AC motor. Okay, this is DC motor. AC lamp we can use, AC lamp, lamp here. This is AC lamp. Okay, so we can put here this, and we complete the circuit. Now we can see the property of the component here. It having the 6 volt voltage source and 1 hertz. Okay, frequency is 1 hertz. It means 100 the 6 volt peak to peak AC, so AC voltage, and frequency will be 1 hertz. So click outside. Now you can run the simulation. So for run this you have to close this. So it is lamp is now glowing, you can see, and it is showing the AC source, AC voltage, it is on. Now we can put the oscilloscope across this to see the waveform AC voltage. So go to here, oscilloscope already selected. Okay, and you can use the first channel for this. Okay, now it is off. So you run this, oscilloscope come, and it is showing 0 voltage. If I close the switch, then it should show some voltage, but it is not showing. So there is a problem in the setting of that. So first we are using the yellow channel. Okay, so for yellow channel we see it is off, it is off, it is ground. We have to, what is the, how it will come. Okay, it is on millivolt. It is selected here, but we don't want millivolt. Here. Okay, do it 5 1 1. So we will learn about this. I will let you know in next video. After practice, I am using this after long, so I will let you know. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.